Okay, so I'm gonna make another video here on these 2 skis and double trailer I got. So I initially got these so I could put my ski and Victor's ski on this trailer and then sell these skis. But since the title situation happened, I'm now getting rid of them. So I posted them for $1,200 and I have like a dozen people contacting me. So I have somebody in town coming to look at them. And it seems like he's gonna take them. If not, I mean, I'm gonna sell them today no matter what, with how many people I have contacting me. But yeah, so I'm just gonna turn this video into us going to get a double trailer, because now when I sell this one, I can easily go get a perfectly good double trailer with good bunks, new wiring, good tires, and a clean title in the guy's name. So yeah, we'll see what happens when the guy gets here. Hopefully they're not in my driveway anymore. And then we'll be on our way to go get a new double trailer today. So as you can see, they're gone. Thank goodness. And now I have Victor over here and Rylan, because we went and picked up these better skis with an aluminum trailer instead of a steel trailer. And so this one is a 3-up. They're both 700s, but this one he said should fire up really easily. And so we're gonna throw this on Victor's single trailer and sell it. And then this one will also just get rid of and sell. So then this trailer will be free, or we'll make profit off of it. And if we ever sell this trailer in the future, it'd just be 100% profit. So win-win. But we got Victor's ski and my ski here, and we're gonna take them off and transfer our skis onto this one. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, we sold the junkie trailer with the 2 junkie skis for $1,200, and then these were listed for $2,200, but I talked them down to $1,500. So we gotta steal. We gotta steal. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So we got our 2 skis right here still sitting on the trailers, but we got these 2 off. We just pushed them off, and then we used the winch on the 4-wheeler to slide them up to the sides. And we have it held around the tree to keep this trailer from rolling away when we were tugging on it. So now time to get Victor's off, which, I mean, we could put this one on the concrete so we don't have to worry about the grass, but but yeah, we're gonna do his as a warm-up since it's light. But Anthony's gonna leave here soon, so we gotta hurry up because we gotta get our full use out of him. Okay, we're good.
Don't shoot me.
Okay,
All right.
3,
Ready?
2, 1, go.
Okay. No. That was a dumb idea, Justin. Why'd you go this way? That was dumb.
That trailer's gonna pop up and crush Justin in his nuts.
Nah, it'll hit the.
I'll take the
it'll
risk.
hit the trailer.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah.
We definitely need to pull it that way.
Yeah, it needs to go that way.
Okay, lift the
Hell of
front
a
up.
lot more.
Ready?
Alright,
There we
good.
go. That's good.
Sweet.
Don't y'all just love Justin?
Always got us roped in. I haven't gotten a paycheck once yet.
That's what I asked him earlier. I said, how much are we getting paid for this labor? He said free lake day.
Free like that? Okay.
Now that I got all these skis. I know. One accident. Victor, your ski looks really good on this trailer.
It's not my Justin.
I'd trade you. I'll take your ski, you take this one.
Yeah, if you give me $1,000 on top.
Oh yeah.
Do I get to keep the trailers on?
Yep. Everything.
Yeah, I literally have a free jet ski.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shoot.
Dumbass.
Yeah, no wait. I already own it. Why am I trying to buy it from you?
Justin isn't YouTube rich X. He always forgets to film.
Victor's saying I forget to film. Well, I don't have a tripod for this thing, but I did for my old camera. But I left it on the back of my truck, and that was the end of that camera. So we got 3 skis moved. We got this one on the trailer, this one on the trailer, and we got the tiny one on the trailer. Now we're just gonna throw this 3-seater Polaris that's actually pretty minty on my trailer right there. So we're gonna do that. So we got all 4 moved over to their new homes, and now we gotta get them out of the front lawn and back to the storage unit, and some of them back to the property. So yeah, it's getting dark out, so we'll probably just catch you tomorrow when it's daylight again. So it is the next day. You can actually see it's not pitch black, and we got my ski and Victor's ski on the awesome double trailer. So this thing is insanely sweet, and yeah, check it out. So here's the side view. This ski trailer was way better than the other one. I'm so happy we got this because these tires are not dry cracked. It comes with a brand new spare too. The whole trailer is aluminum metal, so it's not gonna rust out on us. All the winches work. Brand new jack in the front. It actually has a 2-inch ball instead of a 1 7/8, so that's awesome. But just look at the quality of this trailer over the other one. Aluminum axle as well, so none of that's gonna rust out. So super stoked that we went with this deal instead. So yeah, and then clean titles for everything. So there's a few things I want to do. This light right here doesn't work, same with the other one on the other side. And then right here in the back, these 2 work, but this one got busted out. So instead of buying a new rail, I want to upgrade this trailer since it looks so premium that I think it needs some LEDs, because this is a little old school. So we're gonna go with a cool little 3 red system in the back, and then we got 2 oranges to put up on the sides. So these things are gonna be probably way more bright and look a lot more modern. I didn't go ahead and get new side lights. These are normal bulb ones, but I didn't get these because I've honestly forgot what kind I had on this trailer. But if I would have known they were this bad, I would have gotten some LED square ones, or maybe, yeah, I'm just gonna probably just buy some LED square ones. So I'll get those on my next trip, but those will be super easy to install. Just 2 wires and they'll bolt right in, because they're all pretty universal. So yep, I'll get those when I go to the store the next time. But let's get the wiring and these cool little lights back here. Okay, so here are my 3 little lights. So this is just what I thought. Just 1 power wire. I bet it's grounded through this bracket. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link all the ground wires together and run them into 1 wire and drill a hole right here, but on the back side. And then the wire's gonna loop out, and I'm just gonna have a little rivet go in and have a little eyelet around it. So it's just gonna be grounded right here on the back side, this system I'm gonna make. And then on the front side, I'm gonna drill a hole here, here, and then of course where this hole already is. And I'm gonna fuse all 3 of the positives. I'm gonna feed them all up through here and connect them together into 1 right here, where I'm also gonna have this thing tucked up through here, and then I'll solder them all together and stuff it down in there, and you won't ever see it. So it'll look super clean. And I'll get rid of this hole, this one, and this one, because that's where I'll press these in. So let's get to work. So there we go. We got all 3 holes drilled. Just using your standard little hole saw bit for the diameter that the specs say on the back. So now that we got all those, let me see if I can get this one. Oh, nope. They're all 3 in there. But I put this one through the middle and I have the wires coming up through the top right here. And now I need to do that with the other two. So I'm gonna try and just trace them through pretty easily. If not, I have some little wire I can run down through and pull them through with. We'll see. So just like that, we got all three in and they look great. So moving on to up here, I'm gonna connect all three black wires together and all three white wires together. So as you can see, the three lights are right here, and I got the one ground wire running out the back. I put heat shrink around both of the harnesses once I connected all 6 wires together, well, 3 wires together and 3 wires together, and tucked them back down into there. So now they're just hidden in here, and I only have one wire showing, and it's literally going to loop, and I'm gonna stick this, this little rivet is, where's everything at? There we go. This little thing, I'm gonna thread into here with this little eyelid piece. So yeah, shout out to Grandpa. He got this for me. Well, he got me a huge assortment from an auction, so thank you, Grandpa. But it's coming in handy. So let's simply just put that on the end of this, and let's see if these lights look good. So as you can see right here, I got the heat shrink on. It looks amazing, looks factory. I'm just gonna zip that up on the back, and then these things should shine. If they don't, I'm gonna be sad. Bittersweet moment. I went and tried to test them out, and the sides lit up but not the back, because I wired white up the positive and black up the negative, because black is negative. But if you really think about a trailer wiring harness, white is the negative. So I went over to my battery to see if the reason why they didn't work was because I hooked them up backwards. And so I did white the positive right here, and I did, I can't really hold this, and then black the negative. And you see it doesn't light up. But if I flip it and put black the positive, I don't know if you see that, and white the negative. So yeah, I have black on positive and I have white on negative, and it lights up. So I was just going like a battery, you know. But now that I think about it, I did make a little mistake. So let me fix that real quick. And voila, I fixed it, and they look absolutely amazing. They're way more vibrant than the outside bulbs. So you can see these conventional bulbs with red lenses just don't pop as much right there as the red LEDs in the center. So definitely gonna have to get those swapped out to some red LEDs. But look at them things, nice and bright, way better than this, because those two worked and that one was all crushed and broken. So yeah, and it didn't even take me that long. So now time to fix these side marker lights. So it's just a little bracket right here, so I'm literally just gonna drill a hole right in the middle of it and put our orange side markers and get rid of these big bulky things. It'll look a lot cleaner. Okay, so it's pitch black out. You can perfectly see the lights now. They look amazing. So as you can see, I got that side marker light in. Here's the back of the truck. So now when I'm rolling down the road, I can see these side marker lights from my mirror to know where the wheel is at on the road. So that is super handy. They didn't work beforehand, so now that I have them, they're very useful. And then if we come around to the back, we got our ugly tail lights that I'm gonna be swapping out here soon with some nice LEDs. And then right here in the center, look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with how that turned out. Looks super modern and cool and bright and very red. Then that one, we got our other janky light that I'll be swapping out here soon. But then, bada bing, bada boom, my other side marker on this side. So as you can see, it sticks out a little ways. That way, I can kind of sense where the tire's at on the road at night, because without these side marker lights, I could not see where this trailer was at all. So, yep, that helps out a ton. And it's super bright. The camera's not doing it justice, but super bright. So yeah, one last look. One last little walk around. Absolutely obsessed. And it didn't even take that long, so I'm happy about it. And that is going to be a wrap for the video. It is now nighttime again. as you could see from out there in the last clip, just like it was earlier in this video, because I work full time, then after work I run some errands and get some stuff, and then I just work until it's dark. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us getting all these skis and fixing up this trailer and making it look super sweet. So don't forget to hit the little like button down there and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, bye.